Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore a new trading strategy. I'll state immediately that this can be utilized for any instrument. I personally acquired it for my own use. Gold and the US dollar. Forex also employs this strategy. It can be utilized for both the cryptocurrency market and for. The topic of stock trading isn't entirely relevant in this context. People trade wherever they prefer. Let's do it anyway.
Maximize your profits with XM Forex Broker. Sign up now and enjoy features like zero commission on deposits and withdrawals, comprehensive educational resources, and personalized customer support. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to take advantage of these exclusive trading benefits and more.
Now let's incorporate some indicators into our chart and finish up. No more mediocrity. Transition to and testing. So, we have the first indicator. The Gdax is at a crossroads. This is the indicator we require. Please add it. We also need a schedule. Indicators share. Here. Autumn. That's it. Add it to the chart as well. Let's do it now. We customize them. At first. The first indicator. What do we have here? We have blue-colored candles on display. I like myself very much. Used to it. To the color green. I believe it will be good. It's quite salty here. Saurashtra. We leave it as it is. We also have the second indicator. What we have here. This is the value we need to change. 4 is here. We write 4 on the ceilings. Uncheck the boxes here. Your request is not clear. Could you please provide the text that needs to be corrected? Your request doesn't include any text, please provide the text modified. And here, sir, colors exist. I'm going to get the red one. Go. That's basically it. What we can take. Since I failed to mention it earlier, I trade on a specific time frame. 1 hour. So look, this is where they intersect. Here we have these two lines crossing each other. Yes. Desperate. Essentially, this is the signal generated here. A red candle. We see it this way. And one more point on our second indicator. As we can observe, the red color appears as such. This is our signal for sale. In other words, if we made sales in this location, I entered a trance in the east. Profit was possible. Let's see, here we are. Indeed, we were already receiving a signal from us. For sale. Why is it for sale? We handle it with care. Here, we have a machine with 2 lines. And we have a freshly formed green candle. Here is the green, our second color. We have a signal that is green in color. So, it is advisable to open in this location. Need a warrant, me, purchase. Let's do it. We show stop and take profit. This is how I earn a living. Approximately, the ratio of risk to profit is 1 to 1.5. Go. And let's see in which direction. It will shift here. Price. There is a lateral trend. A little bit. Stop. This is the place where we record. Our employee is an asset. 3 deals exist. She worked. All's well. Now let's examine another example. I waited for a new signal. 2 lines intersect here. A red candle has formed. And here we are. Our second indicator is displayed in red, that is. In this situation, we need to initiate a sell order. Because what I do, we typically put up for sale. This is the place. Set a stop loss. Let's elevate it slightly above the previous peak. Right here. And take profit. Your request is incomplete. Please provide the text you want corrected. You're bold. The risk to profit is 1.5. Let's go. What will occur with our schedule? It's slightly off, yet we have a positive trend. The situation then stabilized. Let's proceed. That's it. That's it. We had a breakthrough. We conclude the deal like this. It is crucial that I set a stop loss here. I selected the appropriate stop loss. The certificates have increased in value. I set it at the previous high. Yes. Got Europa. The deal with top loss has not closed. To this day, rollback completed. And this water too. I closed the plus. Now let's examine another example akin to the previous one. What do we observe here? We have an indication of the intersection of 2 lines, the emergence of a fresh red signal, and here it is, highlighted in red. Open the door accordingly. For sale. All content. Set a stop loss. And take profit. And see what happens. Going there. Where will the price head? Will we secure a profit? Also, is it possible that things might not go as we would like? Thank you for viewing. It's not as expected. Pure H2O. We closed with top loss, and accordingly. Costs. Bones. Why is this? The event occurred due to... What? We need to enhance our strategy. Use another indicator. Thus, by using another indicator, we will filter out such signals. And on such signals, more entries. We will not engage in trade agreements. So, I proceed to the indicator and incorporate a trend indicator. This is the indicator. We need... By the way, I will list all the indicator names in the description beneath the video. And add them to the chart. We're observing... Here, I'll include it and you can contribute more. Part of him. Let's look at the settings. So we need to customize it as well. Here, and here we deselect the boxes. And also, listen, look, pay attention. He cut it. The same as me. So I set it up. That's all. This is where we initiated the second transaction. At this point, we received a sell signal. But why didn't we have to go in? Let's examine this situation. We've added a third indicator to our chart. Here it is. We're observing a rising trend, represented by the green line. She tells us, we don't need to initiate sell trades. In other words, when an uptrend is observed in this indicator, we solely engage in buying. Yes, this is our whiskey trend. It's long, very long. This is not the eastern route, in other words, when we have what follows. Everything is red. We only engage in a sales deal when it is green. How much does it cost to buy? We're here rightly. We closed our deal. Zubetcom. Because we needed to negotiate a genuine deal for the sale, or we didn't require this place at all. Use. To open an order. So let's consider another example. Already using 3 indicators. We have, it's a procession of lines. It appeared to us. Zonal candle. We have a buy signal here, everything is in the green. And the third trend indicator, which we just incorporated, is also referred to as green. Accordingly, we can leave. To purchase, which I indeed did. Now, I do. Yes. We show stop and professors. Here, we even gave it a shot, and I even took one for 2. And we will see. All is well, you coward. Great. All's well. Shut. Made a profit. Se chudovo. And finally, let's examine another instance. We have one right here. Nice dream. And that's when he came to us. The sell signal is a crossover. Everything is now appearing in red, and the formation has also started here, as indicated by our trend indicator, also in red. We have all the correct parameters. I'll go in. Sale agreement. Let's open it. Insert a stop loss. And tip profit, NUS original text. And we'll be watching. Yes, my perspective is unambiguous. We are aware of what we possess. The trend is here. By the way, check out this intriguing point. We managed to fix it. We received a sell signal. You can view it here. The verdant hue is vibrant, and the color here is indeed green. However, we still observe red on the third indicator. Thus, I don't anticipate a trend forming, but rather a shift in trend. Soon, quite imminently, the price will decrease. We see this now. Just a tad, that's all. So, we are closing the deal. Also a plus. As you can observe, the strategy is effective, but it requires the utilization of all 3 indicators. In this manner, we will acquire a greater amount of funds, of winning deals. So, if you want to try out this strategy, follow the link provided in the description beneath this video. Here is a link to a licensed and valid broker. Please register. Trade with me. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. and see you in the next video.